I don't know about you, but my shed's a mess. It doesn't seem to matter what I do, always a mess. So I went shopping and I bought this. It's only from Kmart, so nothing special. But it's a storage stack. 4 lids. Lots of plastic bits. And 3 tubs. I'm hoping to put this on top of my shelving units in the little shed there, and that way it'll give me a lot more organised space. It's particularly for things like my cheese maker, the bottling or canning or preserving stuff that I've got, because I'm always struggling to find lids. So one will be mushroom, one will be cheese, one will be canning. Alright, so let's get the instructions out and have a look-see. Doesn't look terribly hard. Let's leave that here so we've got something to sit on so you can see. So the first thing we've got to do is find our wheels, if you could call them that. Alright, there's our wheels. This is all very light duty plastic. Gotta love the sirens and that. We had a fella running around with a replica pistol last night. Not quite here, but down the road a bit. So we get these and we put our wheels on somewhere. Okay, so we've got our backs on, which will stop the drawers from coming out. Got the fronts on. Now we put another one of these on. We do the same again. It falls apart very easily. There we go. Let's get in the shed. And there we go. I'll get the Curmudgeon camera person to actually write on it because my handwriting is illegible. But importantly, I have tied it to the back of the shed. So there's a bit of binder twine going through here. As we can see, that goes out the back of the shed and is tied off on the gutter. And in that way, hopefully, it won't fall forward. What do you think? I've got all the rest to do yet. Messy, messy, messy. But it's given me quite a bit more room. I'm happy with that. And it's getting warm out here. So I'm going to say farewell, enjoy life, and catch you in the garden.